everyone, welcome to Pay the Pullman. Today this video will show you how to add a service stop while you're on the Plus app. We click on service stop and Plus, we'll search our customer, select the customer, select the technician, turn off and on biweekly if we want, select a service day, a route type from the preset ones here, and then we can save this service stop. Now this is going to be used if you are like a route manager or something of the kind. Next, we're going to go to our sync page, make sure we do a sync to update that information. We'll let that sync through, and we see we have another stop created now. Now, this feature is only available if you have the permissions available but from your Plus app, so you might not have this available, but this is a great feature if you are like a route manager, an owner, or something along those lines and want to add a service stop on the go. But just remember, this does add a new service stop for the customer. So if they are already routed somewhere, they now have 2 stops created. So make sure to stay vigilant about that if you don't need 2 stops created for that customer. Shifting might be a better idea, which you can do from Pay the Pullman. All right, if you have any questions about this feature or how it works, please let us know and we'd be happy to help. Okay, thank you.